Just a moment. In the meantime, other people also can join. All right. I'm just cleaning the database, so we are going to start a fresh. Okay, let me change my microphone settings. Wait. Is it better now? Okay. Okay. Thank you. All right. So we have deleted all the functions. And okay, let's do one thing. I'm going to delete this database only. We'll create a new database from scratch, so there will be no problem. Koala cart. Okay, now I'm going to create a fresh database with the name of Koala cart. I'm going to have my password. It's going to be North California and create a project. Okay. Now we have new fresh database. It's a new database and we're going to use this here. I'm going to refresh. I'm going to click on my project Koala cart, which is connected already. Perfect. Now I'm going to enter my prompt. So we are starting everything from scratch now, okay? This is a fresh project. Nothing has done so far. We are going to do it from scratch, every damn thing. Okay, your chat screen is open. If you have any question, you can ask here. I'm going to just take a prompt from my, okay. I want to build a project. I want to build a full stack web application similar to Thrivecart. The project, this is going to be an online. You guys excited for this? Say yes in the chat if you are, okay? This is going to be an online selling platform for platform having all these features with platform using Remix, Wheat, Tailwind, and JavaScript. Okay. I need Supabase built-in authentication and all the tables, database tables are going to be tables will be in Supabase. Okay. Now I'm going to mention the features. So features are going to be like this. Okay. That's it. Enter. No, Shelly, this terminal is actually, you know, is kind of fixed already. So don't worry about it. It has been fixed. See, it has imported all the fresh remix project for us, and now we are going to use it. By the way, it has actually fetched all the project, so it is going to use, it is by default it's using TSX, which means it is using TypeScript, which is fine. It's okay. We can use TypeScript also, but TypeScript gives a lot of like TypeScript is actually for the developers to catch all the errors in the code, so there will be very less error in at the time of production. So when you are just like building project on TypeScript, it is a bit uh, challenging for vibe coders because it gives lot of errors all the time because it's catching any small error. Let's say if you have created a variable, a kind of object to store the value, and if you are not using it somewhere, it will give the error. Why are you not using it? Right. So in JavaScript, it doesn't happen. So it's okay. We are using TypeScript here, which is fine. But TypeScript is actually is good to use because it is in the long term it is better for the development, for the developers specifically. All the vibe coders are actually learning it because I have joined so many vibe coding groups, and I've realized that all the vibe coders are actually excited about TypeScript. They are using TypeScript. Okay. MailerLite, why just MailerLite? We will just have an option to integrate any kind of SMTP or any kind of email server with the system. Okay, don't worry. Project is built now, which is fine. Why is it calling it Thrive Card Clone? It should call it not a clone. What the fuck? It should call it Koala Card.io full stack online selling platform. Very nice. I'm happy to see everything is working so far. Touch wood. No, you don't need margarita. You need Bloody Mary. You need, it is your favorite drink. I knew. Okay. No, we are going. I'm going to show you how to build a project from like it's like a first of all, it is going to be full stack web application. For I would just want to build an application first. Deployment is the next thing. We'll talk about the deployment. First, we will build it, deploy it on a production server because I can use that, but the problem is then it is going to be again I want to do it from scratch so everyone can actually see you know everything from scratch. I just want to test everything from scratch. The template I have built is going to save a few minutes, but it's okay. It's okay. We should use it. Okay, whenever you get this preview error, don't worry. Just click on dismiss. Okay. A preview is started on 5173. Okay, I will refresh it. I got some error. Thrive card clone, product login sign up. Okay. I will just say this error here first of all, and second thing, Thrive card clone should be should be named as Wala cart everywhere. Let's it first. Let's fix it first, then we will move to the next part. Okay, project has been started. Very nice. Oh, we got the Stripe key also. Let me open my stripe.com. My phone is off. Okay, I'm just going to remove the stripe for now. We will use the stripe later. Part everywhere and remove the stripe for now for, oops, for now, because I want users to use their Stripe account, their Stripe accounts. What's wrong? Their Stripe accounts as payment gateway. Okay, so it's going to be pnpm install. And we are going to run the project now. Yeah, here we go. Okay, the project is ready now. Let's change the name and everything. So it's going to be changed as Koala Cart. By the way, pnpm install. It's all good. It's writing the file here, as you can see. It's going to change. See, it has changed the name and everything here. Koala Cart, your own online selling platform. So it's changing the name everywhere in the system. All right. So how many years have you been? All my life. Coding is, I think I've been doing coding when I was in eighth class, eighth standard. Coding is something which I've been doing. But here right now I'm not coding. I'm not doing anything related to coding. Right now is I'm just doing it as a layman. I'm not using my any technical expertise. I'm just using my only like working as a layman, like as a user. Yeah, this is better. You see, koala card. We have even logo with a koala face. Very nice. Okay, it's cute. We have your products, your payment gateway, your success. Very nice. Your own Stripe account, 100% profit control, easy product creation, affiliate management, advanced analytics, lightning fast setup. Very nice. This is amazing. Let's test the site sign up. I hope it will work. It won't actually give us hard time like yesterday. .com, because we have just created a fresh account already, and I'm going to create a seller account this time and click on email. Oh, sorry, my bad. I used the wrong email address. So we have tested the validation is working. Fail to create profile. What is the problem we are getting here? Let me just check my authentication also. User stable. Yes, we will have all. Oh, my account has created actually. You see, account has been created already, but some kind of fail to create profile. It seems my account has been created, but it's saying Okay, it's great. It's checking the register page now. Yes, I will check if I can log in. Just a moment. Just hold on, guys. Hold on. Easy. See my memory usage. You can see here 3.4 GB. See, can you see this? Read this tooltip. Read this tooltip. In this tab, my memory usage is 3.4 GB. So if your computer is just having 7, 8 GB of RAM, it won't work properly. You need to make sure that your system is having at least, like 24 GB RAM or, like even more than that. See, now we are going to have tables. I'm going to click on apply changes. Tables are going to be applied. And I'm sure it's going to be fixed. Very nice. Come back to the authentication, sorry, superbase table. Let's see whether our tables are created or not. Tables are not created yet. I think it's saying okay, I'm just going to create the profile first. Hold on. Come to the SQL editor, new SQL snippet, paste it, run. Okay, profiles table is not exist. I'm going to create the tables first. See, always go to Supabase migration. It always creates all the table schema. You just copy it, paste it in the SQL editor of Supabase and run it. So it has created. Now I'm going to run this one. Okay, I will just say this is the error I'm getting. You know why it was giving error? Because the profile table I've deleted, which was not a very smart thing to delete, but anyways to do. But it will recreate the table for us. Oh, it's saying anyone can create profile for table profile already exists. Oh, okay, okay. It means it is already exist. We don't have to recreate this. Okay, sorry, my bad. We cannot drop it, of course. So it's okay. I can run it also. Oh, it's fine. It should work now. Let's try, okay? I'm going to remove my account. Our tables are created. Come to the authentication. I'm going to remove this table, this record from this table, and I will recreate it. I will refresh it. Go to the sign up. I will enter my name, my email, my password, account type, create account, fail to create profile, new valid. Okay, so it is saying for the policies for the profiles table is not perfect, and I will just share with it. By the way, I can just go to the policies and I can create it manually also, but I don't want to do it because I don't want to use any technical knowledge. I want to do it by using xBesh only. I come here in the profiles. Anyone can create profile authenticated role. I can change this policy from here to authenticated all. Wait, I can do that. This is a bit technical, but it's okay. I can create a new policy here. Click on profiles table, create policy, all. Insert. But it's okay. I don't want to do it. I want to do it by xBesh. So it's saying this policy. Okay. Click on this. It's done. Query failed. I'm going to run it here. Sorry, my bad. Still doing it. Wait. And I'm going to do it. Copy it, then apply changes. Let's see. I'm going to remove the record from authentication also, which I'm sure it has been added already. Come to the database to see the tables here. All tables are created. And I'm going to come to the SQL editor. I'm going to remove it again. I will say I have created, I will speak it. I have created all the policies. I don't know why are we creating a profile in profiles table at the time of registration. We can do that at the time of profile creation inside the dashboard. So at the registration, we can use just users auth.users auth.users makes sense. So I'm saying, you know what is happening right now? Okay, I'm going very fast. I'm sorry. I will just go slow now. I just copied paste in the SOPA base, whatever queries I'm getting here. See, if you just come to the code inside the SOPA base migrations folder, it always creates all kind of queries which you need to, which actually it creates automatically. But to make sure whether it has been created or not, you can just come here and copy and come to the SQL editor, create a new tab, paste it here and try to run again. So if you get a message like it has already exist, it means it has been created. If it is not created, it will create it. Okay. So it's like a win-win. So always try that. When you have everything in migrations, the SOPA-based migrations folder. This is always going to be the same for all the projects. Okay, so it is going to change the system. You are absolutely right. There's a much cleaner approach. Let's simplify the registration to only use Supabase built-in youth.authors table and handle profile creation later in the dashboard when users actually need role-specific features. Yes, of course. It should be like this. Now I'm sure we are going to have a better approach. I'm going to enter my name, email, and password. I'm going to click on create account. Account is already exist. Let me just check whether it is there or not. I'm going to remove this for now. Because I just remove the limit from my account. I can do that. I remove the limit from my account. That's why. Uh, See, it does the same automatically when pressing the green button to update the database, but consumes tokens. Yeah, I mean, see, you don't have to bother about tokens because I'll tell you, you have enough tokens already. Honestly speaking, if you're a bundle user, you have 100 million tokens. If you are not bundle users, then it can be a problem if you just have 5 million tokens or something. But 100 million tokens are enough to build minimum like 15, 20 projects, maybe more, maybe to 30, 40 projects, I would say. So it's not completely fine. You don't have to worry about that. Maybe more. I'm just saying it like 50. I'm saying 50 projects is kind of koala cart, like huge projects. I'm talking about even more. I can see account is being created in Supabase, but it's giving me this error. It's saying account created but failed to sign in. Sorry, my bad. I couldn't read it. Okay, I will recreate and I will sign in again. Wait. Okay, account has been created. I'm going to check my email because it's not verified yet. See, I got email. 7 emails I got. I'm going to confirm the email from here. Hold on, hold on. Okay, my account. I'm going to reconfirm the account once again. I'm going to remove all the emails. I'm going to remove all the emails. I'm going to remove my account also. I will re-sign up and okay, first of all, go to the authentication. Under the authentication, go to the URL configuration and make it 5173. This is very important to do. I'll tell you once again, go to the authentication, URL configuration. Here it is localhost 3000. Okay. It's okay. I mean, it's okay. Let's keep it like this. And I'm going to enter my name again. It's a very good point, by the way, Shamar. You can turn off your, like account. Wait, let me check my authentication again. Let me remove this once again. I'm going to click on create account. Okay, I don't know whether my account is verified or not. Let me check. Account is confirmed. Okay, confirmation has worked. Let's test the login now. My username and password. Okay, we are logged in. No, we are not logged in. Or we are already. Okay. I think my account is being created and confirmed, but login is not working, 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 or not moving to the dashboard. You can use moving, you can use redirecting, all these terms. Can you guys Can you guys can you see my screen? If you guys can see my screen, okay, okay. Sorry, it was just my HDMI cable got unconnected, disconnected or something. All right, just to make sure, let me. My account has been created already. It is successfully created. Confirmation is done. It is confirmed already. Now I come back to my page. Now dashboard is being created. So it login was working, but there was no dashboard. So now it has created a new dashboard for us for the Koala cart. Okay. Now come back to this. I'm going to log in again. Seller. Oh, wait. Okay. So it is logged in already. You see my account is logged in. I'm going to log out once again. I'm going to click on sign in, my email address, login, and yeah, here we go. So we have products, we have dashboard, we have my products, affiliates, payment settings. So I'm going to create all the pages. Okay, now, perfect. I am logged in. Now, let's create all other pages as required. Okay, guys, so our authentication system is ready. Okay, and we are going to move to the next part, which is going to create all other pages. So before creating other pages, we will create the settings page and profile section. And we are going to work on the UI also. Okay, are you guys excited for this? And in the meantime, I'm going to download the code also. This is very important. Whenever you get some kind of success, always download the code. So you have some code like in your computer. Okay. Perfect. You can't wait for deployment. You can. I mean, this is okay. I mean, you can wait for the till the deployment, but it's better to download the code. So sometimes, like yesterday, I just clicked on back button by mistake, and or I lost some work. I have fixed it already. Every time, whenever you are entering something, it is being saved now. I fixed it, but still, to make sure you have your code in your computer, I mean, it's a better practice, Yeah. This is not every successful execution. This is too much, Shamar. Not every successful execution is going to be like. I mean, it's up to you. Whatever you feel like. But it's better to download the code when you. Or now we have a save button, right? Where's the save button? Okay, let me just check my code. In the meantime, I will check. Okay. Okay. No worries. Okay, so it is being saved automatically now, by the way. And we can push it to the GitHub also. So I'm going to, once this part is done, we will push the code to the GitHub and we will keep pushing. See, pushing it to GitHub is the best way. It is better than downloading the code. Trust me, I mean, it's better than downloading the code. So if you're downloading the code, it's better to push it. Pushing GitHub is going to be a better and best approach. Every time when you're just pushing to the GitHub, you have all the files, all the versions and everything. Like imagine you have downloaded 50 folders and you are just pushing the code 50 times. It's the same thing because in the on the GitHub, I will show you on the GitHub. Sorry, not here, but let me open my other browser. Okay, here we go. Like here on the GitHub, when you come here and let's say I just created a new project called expenses tracker. This project I just created to test. And when you come here, every commit, you can see all the commits here, like all your 50 downloads, something like this. I hope you understood what I'm trying to say here, right? Auto push is not possible. It is actually not, it's not the best way, Shamar. But you know what? When you come back to the project here, I will show you. Let's say here in the project section, I have given a button to GitHub. You know, you can push your code from here also, like push code to GitHub. So it's inside here, and every code to push to the GitHub, you have this button. Let's say this project, another cloud only something. If you want to pull it from the cloud, you can just like pull from the cloud, and it will download the project to your local host. Okay, and then you can push it also to the GitHub. So it's up to you the way you want to do. Come back to our project. Okay, our project is done. Now it is going to, now we have all these features ready. Now it is installing and it's going to run the preview for us. This is the best approach to keep it on GitHub. It's always good. Okay, now some people are just facing this problem. When something is happening, it stopped this, and when you go to the preview, there is no preview, no tab, no port. And now what to do? You don't know, so you have two options to do it. Either you can click on preview button, click on start preview, okay, and it will start a preview like this. If you have error, you can just paste the error here and it will fix it. This error is not the platform related error. This error is in your code. So the code which you are doing here, let's say xBesh created some kind of file and use some kind of library which is not there. This is very obvious. You need to install it. So sometimes when you are just installing the PNPM, like the one we did here, it missed the version it should be. So it is better always to ask it what to do now. So it will see it is actually changing everything and it will do it automatically. It has done it already. Now it will run the code for you. See, code is running now. Come to the preview, refresh it. Let's say what is happening here. Let me check. Oh, it opened a new port 5174. Okay, so this is also a problem. Sometimes you have multiple ports opened, so you always go with the new port. Okay, anyways, but we don't need this. I'm going to push the code first. Wait, going to push to the GitHub. I'm going to make it koalacart.io app initial commit. No, it's not failed. It is fixed day before yesterday already. Now you see I'm pushing it right now. It will be pushed. See, successfully pushed to GitHub, Tom. So it is not, there was a problem, there was a glitch, but it has been fixed already. And if you have used a wrong token, if you have used some less permissions, if you have not given the proper permission to your GitHub token, it won't be pushed. Okay. But anyways, I'm going to, no, you don't need to change URL or anything like that. You just need to give a name and you need to give a proper permission. So when you're generating a token from GitHub, let's say if you're generating a token from GitHub, settings, tokens, from here, you should have to make sure that you are giving a proper permissions. Okay, you can just note it down. So name of the token, it should be no expiration. Okay, and all repos, write packages, user, and project. You need to give this 4 permissions, okay? So write repo, write packages, user, and projects. That when you use generate token, it will work. All right. Now we will come back to this and I will say, I'm going to close it and I will say we have 5173 port already opened. Clear. Please kill all ports and I am still getting this error. No, you don't have to give permission of organization. I mean, you can give, that's not the problem, but it's not compulsory. If you want to give, it's better, but it's not compulsory. If you have created some organization, then you need to provide. So it's better to keep it in the token. It's a good point, Arthur. Thank you. I'm going to dismiss this. I'm going to run this command manually. I will dismiss. We will install it. In the next few months, not years, but in the next few months, the target, I'll tell you the vision of the xBesh. Vision is to just create a complete, a marketplace for vibe coders. This is my first vision. Second thing is to implement MCPs, which is going to be multi channel, mechanism. So you can actually, if you know about N8N, you can do everything inside the xBesh. Like you want to connect, if you know about Zapier, right? So you will be able to create multiple agents for anything. That is my vision for xBesh in next few months. This is still agentic, but I just want to make sure that we have agent. You will be able to create agents for different kind of functionalities and features, and those apps are available to sell on marketplace. I mean, we have a big vision for that. See, our pages are ready now. We have products, we have dashboard, we have my products, we have affiliates, we have payment settings. So our products page is done, digital or physical both. We have our dashboard ready. So dashboard is done. If I click on create product, it is not working right now. Oh, it's working. Very nice. So see, we have the create product also now. He can't get into Zoom. How come? Just share the link with him. I mean, it is just a link. You need to just. I'm going to create a project. Let's say xBash community access. This is a product. This is a VIP access of. Sorry, my bad. Access of community for mastermind sessions. It's a digital product. It's a one time for let's say 499 a product image URL, download URL for digital products, and create product. Okay, now product is not being created, so we are going to ask. Okay, before moving the products, let's create the other features like settings and everything. Okay, so I'm going to create a setting part for users. Perfect. Perfect. This is working now. I want to have settings page for user profile, um, payments, payment gateways, uh, etc. No, I don't have. We are see the system is not going to be like I will have to connect my Stripe. System is going to be like anybody, any user who's going to use Koala Cart is going to actually connect their own payment gateway. Yes, we will just hold your horses, guys, hold your horses. We just started this session. In few minutes, going to be better. Don't worry. But it's good for your suggestions. Uh, just a moment. Okay, now we are creating a settings page. So settings page is going to have all kind of settings, including payment gateway, including profile, and then we will see stats and MIS is the last part. So Arthur, we will work on sales statics, stripes, and everything at the end. So I will tell you what I'm going to do here. Wait, let me just open my Xmind. So this is the plan for the project. Okay, this is the plan. Just a moment. So we are going to create a voilacart.io. First part is going to be authentication, which is done already. After authentication, we will have dashboard. Then we will have routes, which means pages, and we will have settings. Okay, and we will have analytics, and we will have what else? We will have affiliates. Okay, so in the routes, we are going to have products, and we are going to have. See, it has created a new add payment gateway.sql, which is going to be executed on the Supabase. It has been created already. Now I'm just going to copy this, come back to the SQL editor, new, run, perfect, and come back to the preview. I will run it again. Five one seven four. I'm going to log in. Okay. We have, where is our settings page? Wait, let me just check. We are logged in already. Okay. I think we need to change the UI of inner pages like dashboard with a and sidebar and a header with the all settings link with the logged in logged in logged in user avatar. You know what I'm trying to say here? I'm trying to say I just need to change the user interface because I don't like this user interface. I need a dashboard which has a sidebar here with all links. And on the header, we have a avatar image which I click on like this. Like this. This is what I'm asking for. So let's see whether it will. Yes, Terry. This is why I'm just hosting these live testing sessions so everybody, we can test it with you and everybody else can learn how to use vibe coding, how to use it. It's see, okay. You should always ignore those messages. It's better because I'll tell you why. Because it's better to copy paste in the chat. The same thing. Ask xbash button does the same thing. It is just copying it and pasting it here. It's doing nothing else. Okay. So it's better to dismiss and just copy the error and paste it here manually is going to, because when you just click on ask xbash is going to copy all the terminal is going to consume more tokens. If you're just going to copy just red part and the yellow part of the error is going to consume less tokens for you. So it's better to dismiss all the messages. Like whenever you get preview error, just dismiss it, and when you get the error on preview, just copy and paste it here. This is what I do normally, right? I never click on ask xbash or something. You just use it as you use on chat gpt. So this is the best use case. The chat gpt, when you just come to chat gpt, you just ask what is it, what is that, why I'm getting this error. So you just have to do the same thing here. It's changing the whole ui. I'm sure it's going to be amazing. I'm hopeful to have a better user interface for the project. You know what? I'm going to, in the next prompt, I'm going to use, because I like the user interface of Stripe. It's amazing user interface. I really like it. So I'm going to give a command that I like the Stripe user interface. Just make this user interface like Stripe. Let's see what it does. After this update, we will just re-push the code with the next commit. So you should understand what is the best approach to build a project from scratch. By the way, for all the new users who recently joined, this is the project we are building from scratch with the name of koalacart.io, which is a full stack online selling platform like Thrivecart, JVZoo, or Pay.com. So it is going to have all the features like products, like authentication system, products, coupons, affiliate system, dashboard, payment gateway integrations, everything. Okay, including the checkout pages and sales pages. So we are going to create the project from scratch and we are going to use this platform for the real users of xBesh, all the creators and all the people who want to sell any digital product using Koala Cart is going to be used for them. By the way, I'm going to refresh it. Going to products. I cannot see any change here. Wait, let me just restart it. All right. It says, let me just read it. It changed the professional dashboard with the sidebar navigation and header with the user avatars and this perfect completely redesigned. Okay. By the way, I am not able to see the new changes. why it is happening. Please check the code once again. And I love UI of Stripe. So it's better to have the user interface like Stripe, but I want to go with the green color like Supabase. I the love UI of Stripe. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's updating the root file for us. Yes, so model is amazing. Trust me, model is amazing. It is very intelligent, very smart. If you just going, sometimes I just use my own language. Let's say I just want to say something in Hindi. If you are speaking in Spanish, you can type in Spanish also. You can use more than 700 languages. You can use here. You can say it like I will say I want to have multilingual option. I want to go with the yes, it will do it automatically. So let's say if you want to build something in different language like Spanish, it will build it for you. In Russian, in some French, Arabic, even right to left languages like Hebrew, Russian, Hebrew, Arabic, Persian. So you can use those languages also. Yeah. If I'm not wrong, Hebrew is a right to left language, right? Say yes if it is true. Yeah, okay. Arthur says I speak to him in Polish and it works. So it's good. Yeah, I know it works because I use Hindi sometimes. It is I say I even use some harsh words which I cannot say. And sometimes we just kind of jam with each other like he's abusing me and I'm abusing him and we are just going crazy because right now it's unfiltered. So for me, for you also, I'm just kidding. So right now it's unfiltered and you can use sometimes, you know. Yeah. Okay, so it changed some kind of layout for it is saying, but I cannot see any changes in the new layout by the way. Anyhow, I'm going to push the code for now. Latin, of course, it understands Latin. Why not? Why not? Koala cart, override, updated code, and here we go. View repo. See, now we have three commits. One is initial commit, and the other one is the updated code. So we have three commits. You can see here. At the initial time, it creates two commits. Then it will create as you just push the code. Okay, so now we have pushed the code. Let me just do one thing. Let me refresh it once. AI is changing every second. Okay. And you know why? I'll tell you one thing. There's a new paper published by Google. You will be surprised to know that this new paper of Apple, not Google, Apple published a new paper how AI is actually making fool of people. And this paper describe, you know what they did? They created puzzle riddles or puzzles in three categories: easy, medium, and hard. And AI could actually reply and give answers to all the easy puzzles and started getting trouble when it become medium. But all AI got failed, all of them, even Gemini, even Open AI, all AIs got failed when it became hard. And Apple proved that it is actually just kind of mimicking their memories. They are not actually that intelligent, you know. So the future of AI is going to be, this year is going to be better, because after publishing this new paper of Apple, everyone is going in that direction now. You understand what I'm trying to say here? So within a 6 months or maybe a year, you will see better intelligent, real intelligent models. So it's going to happen. Yes, I mean, we all are ready for it. We all are ready for it for sure. Why not? It has to be, but it's a process. It's a transition phase of. Okay, let's start now. What is happening here? Here we go. I'm going to log in once again. And bingo. Okay, so we have all the files here and everything. And I'm going to say check uh, the layout of header. Okay. Mm, I'm going to ask this and this and this. Okay, let's see. Yes, Andre, I mean, in the next update, I will add that bring your own key. I will do that this week. So the issue is dashboard pages are not using the new dashboard layout component. So it's going to update it now. Oh, guys, I'm really excited for this project, this koala cart. I'm sure we will finish it in next 1 hour. I mean, not finish, but we will reach at a level where we are going to push it, and I will finish it today for sure. And I'll tell you, yesterday we discussed this. If you are having a team of 5 developers, like good developers, okay, and if you're building similar kind of platform from scratch, with you are in 2021, okay, or 2022, and you are building a same platform, it's going to take 6 months time minimum to reach that level, which we are going to achieve in just few hours today. And it's going to be crazy, it's going to be really crazy. Yes, I just saw this MCP toolkit, Andre. I just saw it. Even better toolkit I saw was this MCP. It was I just forgot its name. MCP toolkit. I just forgot its name. I just saw it on GitHub only. It was MCP. Mm, I think MCP Toolbox, if I'm not wrong. No, I will share with you. I will share with you. It was amazing, amazing MCP, like toolkit. And if you know about MCP, guys, how many of you knows about MCP? Or okay, I'll just ask a reverse question. How many of you don't know about MCP? Just say I don't know in the chat. Okay, how many else you don't know? Okay, okay, Omar. So I'll tell you what is MCP. Okay, you will be flipped to know this. MCP is a model context protocol. It's going to be sorry, not this, multi-channel, not this. What the multi-channel agents? I will show you. Wait, multi-channel. If you know about NA10, do you know about NA10? So this is kind of MCP. So let's say you say whenever users submit a form, okay, AI agent is going to have, use this, going to connect with the Jira software, going to connect with the Slack, going to send this to email, going to send. So you can automate your marketing. So it's like you can automate everything in this. And imagine when you have agentic AI with the MCP is going to be even crazier. So it's going to, yeah, it's going to be, like very solid when you have all kind of crazy MCP. Why it's not being updated here? I'm sure it should be updated. But why it's not being updated? Wait, just a moment. Give me a moment, okay? Just a moment, guys. So what I'm going to do some changes here. Wait. So future of xBesh in the next few months, you will see I will integrate the platform like N10 inside the xBesh itself. So you will be able to create your own agents, multiple different kind of agents you'll be able to create. Not seeing newly updated layout at all. Imagine when you have AI to connect any app. So there's a limit with the N10 is that you have to have a webhook or something to connect with some apps. But imagine when you can connect anything using AI. Let's say if I just want to integrate a random form on my web page or website with my whole marketing, you know, uh, funnel. So it's going to be a very solid and very powerful feature for us. I want see my focus is on for xBesh is going to create a complete bigger marketplace of Vibe coders. Right. I mean, xBesh is going in future. xBesh is going to be a platform for Vibe coders. That is my whole mission, whole vision for the xBesh. So if you are a Vibe coder, you are using any platform. I don't want people to use just xBesh to build platforms. Apps. I want it to have a platform where people are building their apps, they are selling them, they are just like creating a showcase of apps, they are building also, they are automating also. So it's going to be a single point, a platform for all the vibe coders for everything, even for the community. So community is going to be a vibe coders community for all kind of knowledge based videos, trainings, like discussions, everything. So it's going, you will see in 6 months is going to be my target is to have 100,000 users, like, and 10,000 users in the community. See, I'm ahead of the game right now for the vibe coders. Yes, if you talk about the idea of xbash, it was when I started working on this. There was no chat gpt, there was no any ai like available in the market. And in 2022 I launched my first ai product. It was mails app. It was one of its kind ai marketing platform. When I just sold it in like to people, to users, they were like crazy vibe coders, vibe. Yeah, thank you, Bob. Uh, what is it saying? Wait, let me check. Now I fixed the issue. Problem was the dashboard pages are not properly using dashboard component. Have to have done updated dashboard route. Okay, let me just do some changes to test this dashboard layout it has created. Come to the dashboard. Here on the dashboard, I just say koalacart.io .cio. Okay, it's okay. Title, not title, but it's going to be uh, 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 welcome. I just made some mistake to test. I'm going to log in now. Here we go. Perfect. See, this is what I was looking for. We have some problems in the UI, but we will fix it for sure. I'm going to change it. Calm down app. It's a good idea. Okay, perfect. I can see the dashboard. I can see the updated dashboard now, but there is some issue in the UI. I can see some extra gap above the header, and this is not looking like a Stripe or Supabase at all. I Okay, here we go. Screenshots forward. Yeah, you can take screenshot for sure. Yeah. Failed to capture. Why I failed to capture? Let me check. Well, oh, sorry, my bad. Entire screen. Yeah, it's taking a screenshot for sure. See? Anyway, so Yes, xBesh can create something to anytime for sure. You have to just your thought is just a limit. If you remember at the time of launch, uh, Adrian created a platform for multiple agents to talk to each other, you know, and it was really amazing. Yes, complimenting is always helpful. If you're just complimenting is like thank you, perfect, good, it is always helpful. It is because you are actually confirming it because if you're giving feedback, to AI is going to be helpful always. Even it works with all AI, not just XBash. It works with OpenAI, with Gemini, with all kind of models. Every model it will work perfectly fine if you are giving a proper feedback and compliment something like that. By the way, we are right now for the next month's plan is going to get rid of the stack blades terminal. Right now we are using this buck bench of stack blades, which is we are paying heavy fees, but still it has bugs. Like I just solved most of the bugs. I am a contributor of Bolt and Stack Blades also, but I just don't like it. I'm developing a new fresh terminal from scratch. So within a month time, you will see a new terminal of built by xBash, and I'm planning to make it open source also. So anybody actually can use it. Any other users also, like all developers. This is just the information I just wanted to share with you. Oh, thank you, friend. See, compliment is actually helpful for human also, not just AI. Yeah, it works with humans. We are going to update the dashboard now, and I'm sure this time we are going to have an amazing user interface like the way we are looking for. Okay, I just in the meantime, okay, it's done. It's done. So let's test it. Wow, look at it. It's amazing. See? How much would you rate to the UI now out of 10? Just rate it. How much out of 10 you guys would rate now this dashboard? 8. Fran is saying 8. Wow, Shamar is saying 9.9. Very nice. Guys, how much would you rate now? 9. Very nice. It's looking amazing actually. I love it. I love this new dashboard. It's amazing. We will change the homepage also, okay? Okay, oh perfect. Perfect. Now let's change the home page also and make this page like modern, elegant, um, marketing friendly, and no, it's okay. I just tested it. You remember I refreshed it and it was all files we got back. So I fixed it last night. Now it's everything is being auto saved. Don't worry, we don't have to push it. We can push it right now. It's a good suggestion. It's a good suggestion, but it's being auto saved also now. So don't worry about it. But it's always good to new dashboard. Box sizes are not equal. Okay, let me check which box size you're talking about here. Okay, we'll check it. Marketing friendly and as good as Stripe. I'm a big fan of Stripe user interface actually, honestly speaking. This is a very good user interface for an app. amazing user interface. We should use similar to this, but okay. Which part you're talking about? Box size. Oh, this size you're talking about. Okay, we will fix it. We will fix it. Don't worry. How many of you are actually, like the Zoom for meetings? I mean, do you think it's better for sessions like this? Because if it is better, then I will just, from next time, I will not use anything else. I will just use it only. It's better? Yeah. We are doing it every day, Terry, almost every day. I love these sessions because every time, whenever we are doing something, you know, we get something and it is helpful for the users. It is helpful. I'm not recording it because recording makes my internet bad. When I'll just move back to Dubai, I will be back to Dubai by end of this week. Then I will just start recording because I don't have a good internet here at my parents' place right now, and I don't want to just get a new connection here because it's going to be useless after a week. Okay. And recording, consumes all bandwidth. Yesterday it happened, day before yesterday's it happened, so it's better to do it here without recording. We are going to have amazing user interface of homepage also, I'm sure. Oh, it is possible. Is it possible, friend? I can make you admin. Wait, if it is possible, I didn't know that. Oh my god, I'm so technically handicapped. Just a moment. Fran, you can record it if you want. Okay, I just promote you. Right? So you can always, I just made you a host now, okay? Oh, mm. Okay, but can you see my screen also? Ah, perfect, awesome. Okay, when you just start recording, let me know. I will just, um, I will explain it again. So see this error?
Recording in progress.
This error came here. So to fix it, you just copy this and paste it here and it will be fixed. Anyway, so by the way, let me just tell you, now we have just started recording, but before recording, we are building a platform called Koala Cart. This is a full stack online selling platform like Thrivecart, JVZoo or Pay.com. So using Koala Cart, you can actually create your products. You can manage your orders. You can manage your customers. You can have your affiliates. You can manage your affiliates. You have analytics and you can connect your payment gateway like Stripe or PayPal. And then you can create checkout pages to sell your digital or physical products. Okay. So we are using xBesh from scratch to build. What we did, we just entered a prompt. I want to build something like this. So this was our initial prompt. Like I want to build a full stack web application similar to Thrivecart. This is going to be an online selling platform using Remix, Wheat, Tailwind, and JavaScript. I need Supabase built authentication and all the database tables will be in Supabase. The features I need are these features which I explained. And then it created all the tables and everything on our Supabase, new Supabase database here. So we have all the tables and authentication and everything in the Supabase. Now, if you come here inside the tables, you can see all the tables are here. Now, this is what we have built so far, and we are going to, let me show you this. So this is what we have built. I'm logged in as admin, and then I can manage my products and everything. Wait, something is happening here. Just a moment. And we have achieved all authentication, user interface, all pages, style, UI, and everything. Now we are going to move to the settings part, where we are going to store all the settings of the platform of Qualacart, so the users can actually connect their own payment gateway. They can manage their profiles. They can manage their own customers and teams. So this is going to be the part of the Qualacart app. Mute, please. Who is? You want me to mute? No, I didn't. I did not make them manually. Actually, when you just come here to the like app, you can see in the Supabase on the root. Okay, on the root you can see the Supabase folder. In the Supabase you have migrations, and xBesh creates all the files and everything inside the migrations folder. So either you can do them copy paste to the SQL editor here and run it, or xbash will do it automatically. You just need to click on apply changes button. It will show a prompt here like a dialog. You just need to apply them. All right, so now we have an amazing new page. Your products, your payment gateway, start selling today, trusted by this. Oh wow, we have beautiful page, by the way, with wow, we even pricing. Okay, so we have this page ready now. I'm going to click on dashboard because I'm logged in already. This is the dashboard. Now let's create other pages one by one. I'm going to click on settings. So this is the setting page we have, like profile, payment, security, and notifications. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Now let's create all settings pages, and the link right now, it's showing the 4 links on the main settings page. It should have the profile by default and a sub sidebar to change the setting sub pages. Okay, so I want this section should be in the left hand side like this, and we should have a default profile page whenever somebody clicks on the settings page here. So let's wait. Okay, let's wait for this. Now it is changing the settings page for us. All right. Okay, Shelly, I hope you would be with us here, but it's okay if you are just have meetings, you can leave. See you. Yeah. Guys, by the way, Shelly, you have seen it from beginning, and now Fran is recording the session already for us, so she will post it there in the community. All right. So now our settings page is going to be. My browser is hanged. Thunderstorm just started, cross fingers. Yeah, no worries, don't worry about it. It's not the problem at all. The project is being saved automatically, so if something happens, we will restart the browser. Don't worry about it. Oh, thunderstorm for real! Like thunderstorm started for real, like Fran. Like it's raining there. Like for real. Strange. Uh-oh. No, we will. I will not do it more than 1 hour. Within an hour, we will finish. So I'm sure you have power backup for 1 hour because I don't want to just like everyone to get stuck. And see, this time we have refreshed the page because my browser got stuck. But anyways, let's see. Oh shit! Wait. I just have to refresh it once again. It loaded. It needs to be mentioned. It's already mentioned here. It's better to. Okay. By the way, I'm just going to clone it from here. Just a moment. No worries because we have already pushed the code. So it's going to be better for us. Hold on. I'm going to create a new token for myself. This part needs to be fixed also, like where you can connect your GitHub account. You don't have to reconnect it because I have already connected this account. So this part needs to be fixed today. Just a moment, guys. Hold on, okay? I'm going to connect with my token. Connected. I'm going to import the Koala card now. Perfect. And now it's going to load for us. Chat imported. Now we have the project loaded here. Just a moment. No, we rename it. So, we renamed it. Wait, I just need to check my project is connected already. Just a moment now. It's giving the error for EN because whenever you're pushing the code, this is very important to know. Whenever you're pushing the code, it never push the code of env file. So you need to create your env file, okay? And that's why we are getting this error here because we don't have an env file. So now every time whenever we are importing, either you can just have your dot git ignore. You can mention in your git ignore that I want to push my env file to the GitHub. You know what? You can ask it. I want to push my env file also like this. I want to push my env file on GitHub too. So next time it will actually push your env file also to the GitHub, but it's okay. Uh, Fran, can you just stop recording? Because I think after recording, something is happening here. Just stop recording.
Recording stopped.
I think your recording is also consuming some of my memory. I don't know. Something is whenever I start recording for this, it start consuming. See, my browser is hanged again. Just a moment. We will wait. Okay. See, I will just wait. I will not refresh it this time. Yeah, it started. See, recording makes some trouble. I don't want this recording again. Whenever we start recording, it creates some trouble for my computer, maybe. Yeah, you're right, Andre. For the recording, I think we should have some better option. Like you can download this. Fran, you can download this awesome screen recorder, and you can record your screen. It is going to be recorded on your own computer, but I don't know how it is going to get my voice. I'm not sure about it. Or I will figure it out. I will just have a better computer or maybe better machine next time. I have a computer, another computer. It's a window machine. I will use it next time for because it has a graphic card also. Yeah, Snagit is good. Is it recording my audio also, Fran? So you recording it from scratch from when I started? Oh, perfect. It's good. Yeah, it's very good. Thank you so much. You are a lifesaver. Okay. Anyway, so we need to fix a couple of issues. Wait, we need to just redo the homepage also because we just didn't push it there last time. Uh, Getting this error, and I want you to redesign the home page like Stripe and make sure this is going to be as good as modern designs of modern apps. All right. Okay, so we are going to fix this. By the way, we are going to have a better homepage again. Just a moment. And we will keep pushing it. Don't worry. But I just got one more bug, which is going to be fixed today. So this bug is like when browser gets hanged and refreshed, it loaded the older version of the app. Oh, did I? Oh, hold on. Did I upload it? Somebody was saying, no, I think this was not the problem. Wait. Hmm. Okay, so it is fixing our notification settings page. Now it is making a new home page for us. Which payment gateway you guys actually prefer to use? All of you, please tell me which payment gateway you prefer to use for making payments and for accepting payments for both. All of you. Oh, Stripe, really? No, only one. Which one you prefer? Like you prefer Stripe over PayPal or PayPal over Stripe? Okay, PayPal. And most of the people are actually saying Stripe. Yeah, it works actually. Last time it got hanged, and between the process, let's say right now it's processing, and it got hanged somehow, and I refreshed, and it actually couldn't save. It actually kind of corrupted the whole project. This is not the very healthy practice. We should fix it. Pay you can connect for sure. I'm sure you'll be able to connect it. It's not a big deal. Okay, we got a new home page or not? Let's test. Oh, we are getting some and arrow lines, copy and pasted. We got some, we missed something is in the code. A new port? No, it's only one port, 5173. It's making the home page now here. I'll tell you one thing. So there's a for this editor, every company like VS Code, even Microsoft, Cursor, Bolt, Lovable, all are using one component which is called Monaco editor. So Monaco editor is actually built by Microsoft only, which is being used for see this editor. And this is the same editor everybody is using. I'm also using the same editor here in the xBesh, this editor. That's why it looks like same everywhere. So most of the products actually, when you see, they are very identical. Ah, very nice. We have a new page, but anyways, this is looking very ugly. This homepage is looking very ugly. I was expecting a homepage like Stripe. You know, I think you can do better job, and I need your 100% attention on my prompts and my inputs. I don't like the way you are working right now. So sometimes you have to just share your emotions also, when it should understand that the user is getting frustrated. So it's going to be more careful. And it will mention, oh, sorry for your frustration, or I know you are absolutely right for your frustration and all. It will mention, yeah, of course, you're absolutely right and apologize. Let me give you my complete attention. I mean, it doesn't bite me, but Terry, I don't know if no, it will do it automatically. it will shut down your computer, you know, and will never be able to open it. Yeah, Delphine. Oh, Delphine, you here? Hi. Hello, how are you? Yeah, I mean, it will actually, you know what? If it won't match it this time, I will say, I'm doing good, thank you. I will say, but I'm sure it will actually match it automatically. It should match. If it won't, I will say, just make it green. Yeah. Yeah, when it will have consciousness, definitely it will kill, Adrian first, not me, because he's the guy who always keep abusing it. I'm a nice to AI always. Wow, see, we have better design. Amazing. I love this. All right. Can we just make it green and always follow the green theme for whole project? I don't like the way you are changing the colors and everything. And I want to have this homepage marketing ready, sales ready, and please add more components and content on the page. And header needs to be changed. Header is looking ugly right now. Why? Why do you think Delphine it will never have consciousness? Why do you think so? Because you think humans are not actually kind of. I mean, it will have consciousness. It will not be enlightened, like humans. So right now, it is mimicking humans. Humans are getting also advanced. AI will be advanced one day. It might get consciousness for sure, but it won't be kind of enlightened like humans. You like you don't know who you are. I don't know who am I, right? We don't have the understanding of being. So I'm sure it's going to have consciousness for sure, but not the. I mean, it will have survival instinct. And when something has the survival instinct, it means it has emotions like fear of being alive, or like being dead. Sorry. If it has fear, it means it is conscious, right? No. Yeah. All life has fear for sure. Yeah. So don't you think if something like all life like you're talking about, I mean if fear is an emotion, if it has emotion, it'll be conscious also. Okay, by the way, our new page is almost ready, and I'm sure this time we are going to have an amazing page. Yeah, I love Space Odyssey. I love it. 2001 Space Odyssey. Yeah. Terry. Oh, this page is going to be huge. You see the number of lines. Oh, now it's fixing the layout header also. And I'm sure this header is going to be amazing. Yeah, feature of AI. You know the feature of AI? There's a documentary on YouTube, the future of AI, and it came almost like 8-9 years ago. And if you watch it today, you will understand. And that time it was very futuristic, but now it is very relevant. Yeah. Now we are building all the components from scratch. Very nice. Let's go. What do you think, guys, now? What do you think? Oh my God, look at this. Look at it. Amazing. Amazing. Very good job. I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to push it. I'm going to push it to my new home page. I would rate 9 out of 10 for sure. This home page is looking really nice. See, all products, pricing, and everything. Now we have sign in, and I'm going to log in. And after the login, we have our dashboard ready. It's signing in. What happened? Sign in, sign in, sign in, sign in. It should work. Wait, let me check. Oh, sign in. Perfect. So we have dashboard ready. Come back to the settings page. See, now we have better settings page. I will just make it bigger. We have my card, my profile, account overview. We have payment gateways. Wow. You see, you need to add your publishable key, secret key, webhook secret. You have PayPal configuration like client ID, secret, and mode of payment, live or sandbox. Then you have the security options. You change your password, two-factor authentication. You have even current sessions. You see your current sessions, your notification settings and everything. Wow. How much would you rate xBesh right now out of 10? And all of you, tell me. 12 out of 10. Shamar, come on, man. Okay, do you think xBesh needs, at xBesh deserves a very positive testimonial from all of you? Very positive testimonial. Go to community, okay, and give your positive testimonials if you like it. All right, let's move to the next step. Now go to the products, okay? Go to the products. We have, okay, perfect. So let's make all other pages with the same dashboard layout. I want all pages ready, functional, connected with the Supabase database and tables. It should have all CRUD features, CRUD like create, read, update, delete. Yes, of course. So there's if you go to the xbash.dev, all of you guys, if you want to have some private sessions, I'm hosting private sessions. Go to the xbash dev, and right now it is there. Hire a creator. You see my profile is here. Come on this, and you have all these options. By the way, this is not working right now, but I will make it live by tomorrow or day after. So and this is not just me and you. It is anybody can hire a creator. So day after tomorrow, we are releasing a crazy webinar for the creators, and we are going to give option to all users. This is one of its kind. We will give you option to become creator, and the creator license is going to be very exclusive. is going to be very exclusive. It is not going to be available for all the users, and we are giving this chance to all our existing users, the founding users who actually invested in us initially at this level, and they will be the creators. And in this creator license, this creator plan, we are going to give you a lot of classes, a lot of training material, a lot of applications, tools. We will give you option to sell, to show, to sell your built applications also. So it is going to be amazing. It's going to be really good. So we'll talk about it day after tomorrow, not today, but just wanted to give you a kind of idea. Okay, anyways, let's move now. Madhav is a human, it's me. Yeah. Oh my God. See, imagine right now the person who's talking to you is an AI. My digital persona is going to be one more episode of Black. What is that? Black Mirror. Yeah. Yes, you can actually have in this creator plan. We are going to have a VIP community with the creators group on Telegram. So it is going to be a very good learning experience for all of you. Okay, let me just copy it and go back to the. I'm sure it has already been created, but still, let me make sure. Yes, see, it has been created already. It is very good. It is very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Indexing policies and everything. Mm-hmm. From here, categories, relation does not exist. Okay. Yeah, I clicked on apply changes already. I clicked on it. You see? It's creating all the new pages and just wait. No, I just see this is the same session right now, same browser. When you're going to open like two browsers, it's going to be a problem. And two projects simultaneously. Right now, I did not open any project. I just opened a xBesh dev and a separate thing. So it's okay. It's not the problem. You see, it relogged in me here. It was looking UU earlier. Now it's relogged in. So it's fine. Sometimes it actually breaks, which is not actually a very good approach. You should not open multiple sessions of xBesh at the same time. Okay, wow, we have achieved so much today. How many of you would you want to create something like this with all our projects? And of course, I mean, see, I'll tell you one thing. Right now, we are no, we don't have any problem with the cloud syncing at all. So because right now, if you can see here, we have the save to cloud option. See, you click on this and it will actually push all the code to the cloud. So you don't have to sync at all. Chrome browser is good. I will always recommend Chrome browser. See, project is saved and 43 files saved to the cloud successfully. Yes, it is working really amazing, and you can see like we are building a project on in real time on a live session, and it's going to be really really crazy when you are going to build your own projects. And if you get stuck, if you need my help, you can always we can always have a one-on-one sessions for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, whatever you feel like is going to be a win-win for all of us. And my like in the next 2 months, I mean, I would say 50 days. My 50 days. Let's go with the 50 days challenge. Then that everyone, all of you, should have a depth knowledge about vibe coding, about app building, not just building, selling also, because without monetization is all useless, right? So if you have built something, you should sell it also. So I want you to change. I want you to take a challenge for 50 days to build something and sell it. Admin products new. Which file is being built right now? Admin products new. Okay, this one. If I'm not wrong. Okay, I will say continue because I think it's stuck. And you know why continue? When you don't see this icon and something is happening here, it means it's stuck. So just say continue. It means it will start from the last point where it left. DIA browser. I don't know what is DIA browser. Let me search. DIA browser. What is that? Ah, DIA browser. Okay. Oh, that's good. I didn't know that, but I will check it out. I will check it out. See, I'll tell you all the browsers, including Brave, they are they are built on Chrome only. Okay. I will just close it and say it again because started. Sometimes when you're just getting this code in the chat, you can stop it and you can re-enter the prompt. It is very, like rare. It happens with all the AIs, including Cursor. Sometimes AI starts giving the code in the chat, which is very normal. So just stop it and re-enter the prompt. Hey Tony, finally you logged into the platform. Banta Black bonuses. I will see. I'm going step by step. So we have fixed all the bugs, and today we are building the whole platform from scratch. So in the last 3 hours, we have built a very extensive platform. We have completed authentication. We have completed the user interface of Koala Cart homepage and the dashboard, the settings, and all other pages. And we are going to finish it today. This whole project, Koala Cart, including the option for users to connect their own payment gateways like Stripe or PayPal. So after that, I will push all the updates and everything for you guys, and the options, I mean the issues here, we are going to resolve and going to give it to you and update in the community. Okay, so this is amazing. Now we have a new admin products page with the product ID. Tony, you missed a lot, Shamar, you don't have to worry about that. Okay, I will check it. Why your projects are not being synced. But in the meantime, you have this new option in every project, save changes. This save changes is a sync of this particular project. So you can go to the your projects section, and you can sync them from there also. Awesome. Okay, we will do a session day after tomorrow. It is going to be a good webinar, Terry. You should join it. Well, before leaving, let me just create this link and share with you. Just a moment. Hold on. Give me 2 minutes, okay? Let me just create this so you can join and then you can leave. All right, just a moment. Um, this session is going to be day after tomorrow. It is going to be amazing. And where I will give you the access of all the latest built apps like Koala Cart. I just met my friend David Kazar, and he was like, "Okay, I just bought 3 licenses of Thrivecart, and I paid $2,500. If you just come to the Thrivecart, if you just buy all, see, it is $790, and he bought 3 licenses. Okay, so we are building a similar kind of platform here, like Walacart, for our creators who can actually use it. xBesh, we um, marketplace, xBesh creators webinar. Okay, I will just give you a link. What is the perfect time for you guys? Tell me, what is the perfect time for to host a webinar? And tell me this time for GM for Eastern time, ET. 1 p.m. EST is good. 1 p.m. ET. Okay. Uh, Eastern time is -4, right? This is the Eastern time. Eastern time is going to be 1 p.m. ET. 1 p.m. ET is going to be fine. Okay. So we are going to have this webinar. Required registration. Webinar, high quality. I will do it on my local computer for everyone. For now, okay, perfect. Registration required, registration required. Yes. Yeah, day after tomorrow. All right, no problem. So I'm going to just do it day after tomorrow. And this is the link for you guys. So join this, but let's get back to the project. Okay, so we have our new database integration. And okay, I'm getting an error here, and I'm going to get it fixed. We have CRUD operations, consistent dashboard layout, SOPA-based integration, role-based security, responsive design, real-time stats, form validation. Good night, Terry. Status management, rich UI components, and everything. All right. Yeah, this is the link I shared with you already. This is the link. You see? Oh, sorry. I just. Can you just share the link, Fran? I think I cannot share to everyone somehow. Sorry, Fran. Fran, you there? Yeah, this is the link. Because I'm not the host, I just made the host to Fran. Fran is the host. All right. And now it's analyzing the issue for us. Yeah, we can do that. And Tom, why don't you build it? You build a calm and healthy app also. Like you can, you know, if you need my help, I can come anytime on call, okay? All right. It's analyzing the request now. Let me just resend it. All right. All right, Eddie. See you. All right, so it's going to fix it now. Sometimes, AI takes time because the error is kind of like complicated, so it understands. It takes few minutes, so you just have to be patient. All right, so it's saying the error caused by input get for which does not exist. Oh, server, I fixed it, but I am still getting the same error. In the meantime, all this Supabase migrations. Okay, let it fixed. Let it fix the issue for us. Okay, so issue is fixed. Let's go back to the whole dashboard. I'm going to log in. And okay, so I'm getting a format currency error. Let me fix it. I can do this by saying it here, ask it, or I can also paste it. Okay, so it's the same way. But I always recommend to just copy the error and paste it here. It is going to, like give it a better understanding. But it's same way. It's like a same thing. It's not a problem. The issue right now we are getting uh, because we have created a payment page, settings page, and every other pages. So at the dashboard, it is actually not able to understand the type of currency. So now it should be fixed. And here we go. You see, let's go to the dashboard. And here we go. Bingo. Okay, so now we have all the settings pages. We have products pages. Click on create product. I'm going to click on xBesh community access, VIP access, let's say, VIP access. This is VIP access for the community users. Is a one time or subscription or trial. Is a one time, $4.99. And if I click on create product, fail to create product. Okay, now we'll come back here and I will say, oh, okay, so we got this error, like kind of policy error. So I will explain it to you what is happening here. Okay, in the Supabase, you have this database tables, and in the database table, you have some policies. Policies means like permissions to store data. Like only logged in user can store the data, or anybody can store the data. So for the security reasons, you have to have the policies. This is important. So like if you can see it here, we have in the products table, we have admins can manage their products and anyone can read the active products. But right now, it is not allowing us to save it because of the policy. You see this? It's violating row level policy table products and categories. So I'm going to run it And I'm going to copy it also for us. Copy, and I will execute it. And to make sure, I will go back to the SQL editor, paste it, and I will try to run it to make sure whether it has been created or not. So it's saying the relation categories does not exist. Okay, let me just copy this. I will come back and I will say it. This is what the error I'm getting. It's saying some kind of relationship categories. Categories table is not, it is not there. Let it finish. It is almost 3 hours now, and in the 3 hours we have achieved so much. Now we have a complete almost working app with the Supabase. And before leaving, I will just like push it also on the live server. We will just like the once product started creating, we will start pushing it. Okay, so it's going to give us this, and I'm going to apply it now. We got some issue in the policy. User can update the profile table. Profile already exists. Okay. Let me check. Hold on. Wait just a moment. I will ask ChatGPT. Please add drop before before all the tables, free functions, indexes, and everything else. Just a moment. Yeah, so true. Wait for a moment. You know what? I will just drop all the existing policies. So I just created the drop and click on run. Drop means delete. You are going to delete it. Okay. The relation categories does not exist. Relation categories does not exist. Wait. I'm going to drop them first. Commission does not exist. Commission. Okay. I will delete Okay, this part is done. I'm going to remove it. I will explain it to you. Wait, okay? Okay, Majwe. Going to run it now. Let's see. Done. Come back here and we will check it once again by click on creating product. Let me refresh it once again. I will click on sign in. Wait to refresh. Like a seller. Okay, I'm already logged in. Going to create a product. Create a product. xBesh community access. I will explain it to you, Tony. Just a moment, okay? Exclusive access for VIP users in the community. This is one time $4.99. Click on create. Okay, we got one more error. We got error here. Wait. So products table is not able, we are not able to store the data in the products table, and the product table is this, okay? This one. It has 24 columns, ID, admin ID and everything. Okay. And I'm going to see the policies here. I'm going to click on the SQL editor. Going to close all others, not required. And we will wait. The RLS policy is blocking the product creation because it's looking for profile.id, but we are passing user.id. So let me fix the, okay, perfect. I will just apply changes from here. And to make sure, I will run it here also. Okay, so it is created already. Very nice. So it's fixing the product page now, the new product page, new form. Okay, it's fixed. Let's come back and I'll click on create. Come back to the, okay, product is created. Perfect. You see, let's check the database tables, and in the products we have one record already. You see this? Okay, now I'm going to change. Very good. And let's test the edit also. Edit is working or not. So click on edit button. It's not opening something. Let me check. Okay, I can create the product now, but it's not letting me edit the product anymore. In the meantime, I will push the code. to the koala cart, override product creation done. Okay, so we have pushed. If you want to see the updated GitHub, okay, so this part is done. Let me click on edit product. Oh, I think it misunderstood this. I meant I can, if I click on edit button inside the product, inside any particular product, it's not opening the edit page. When I just entered the prompt, it thought it's not letting me edit the page by click on save button or something. So it updated the policy. Now it found the issue. It's saying now I see the issue looking for the product detail page. The edit button is using a link component, but it's not properly navigating. So let me check the routing and fix the navigation, which is good. Okay, it's fixed. Let's come back to the page. Let me refresh it. Okay, it's creating some extra trouble. Just a moment. Anybody's doing YouTube live? I mean, do you think it's better to do YouTube lives because it's going to store the videos also? Does every user see their stuff in the panel, or is it more of an app for one person? How do you solve this, and do you have the super admin who understand paid users? I couldn't understand the question. Sorry. I mean, right now the kind of permissions for me for you it's same. It's not different at all. Okay. So the problem you are seeing here or the problem you are seeing there is like visible to all the users. If I mean, I'm not sure about YouTube Live, how it works. Whether it goes. You can do live inside the YouTube, or you need to use some other tool. I don't want to use OBS to because it consumes a lot of resources, memories, and all. I don't want to. Don't want to use that. I don't like that personally. Okay, go to the products. We have this product ready. Click on the edit. Oh, from the YouTube itself. Now, if I click on the edit button, it should load. It should load now. Okay, we're having some trouble in edit. Okay, we will come back to the edit again. Don't worry about it because navigation is working. If I click on edit from here, okay, this is the edit page. Okay, so edit page should be a form, not a normal page, right? So we can say, I see. I think we should have a form on the, oh, I'm logged out. What's wrong? But don't worry, we will move to the same place. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, let me log in again. Go to the products. I see the form on the edit page. Right now, it's looking like a normal product info page. Here we go. Okay, so after completing the product for Koala Cart, you're talking about Koala Cart? No, I mean, you just need to, like come to the webinar day after tomorrow. It is not just Koala Cart, but there are other apps I will give you the access for. And there's an option to become a creator also. And all the users will have one more chance, last chance, to upgrade their accounts to bundle. So in the day after tomorrow's webinar, we are going to do that. And I'm inviting to all the members and all the users. We are going to have it's going to be huge webinar. I'm expecting to have 400 500 people in that webinar, so it's going to be big. And I will show you some nice and amazing stuff in that webinar. It's not going to be like a technical training webinar. It's going to be more of a functional and monetization, and kind of commercial training. Yeah, but imagine that you have an option. If you want to have your account here when you come to the xBesh tab, and all the users, let's say, by the way, we are going to achieve 2,000 users so far in xBesh, maybe by tomorrow or day after. So let's say if you want to have access of all those thousands of users by showcasing your apps inside the, like, by uploading your apps to the marketplace right here, and by your profile will be here. Your profile will be here if you want to be the creator. So creator license is going to be a different plan if you want to be that. No, this is not with Adrian. It's now Adrian was just a partner for 7 days launch. Now he's out of the game already. Okay, so I'm going to do it by myself. So you need to join the webinar for all of it. We'll talk about it. Okay, by the way, we have fixed the edit part here. I click on edit and we come here. Why it's not editing, I don't know. Let me check. I don't promote other products, but he's actually pure marketer, so he's promoting all the products from JV Zone everywhere. But I'm not doing that. I'm sure you have not received any single email from my side for promoting or some promotions or some other except anything else than xBash. Okay, wow, we have an order page ready. Very nice. I'm a real guy, yes. Of course, I am a real guy. Okay, so now we have the order page ready and we have the affiliates page ready. Wow, we have analytics, which is still not there. Let's make the analytics. Okay, now let's make the analytics page also and check what else is missing. Thank you, Andre. But good guys never get money, they never get girls. Only bad boys get money and girls. So that's a harsh truth. Yeah. I really appreciate if you can give your testimonials in the community like this. Whenever I ask for the testimonials, you never give the testimonials. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much, Andre. We are going to make the analytics page now here. Because my mentor told me one day that there is no substitute of hard work. Trust me. I mean, if you want to achieve something in life, you should have the very strong burning desire. You need to put, like your all in. It's like a game of poker. So you need to be all in with everything, whatever you have to achieve success in life. So that's what I'm doing. It's 6:34 a.m. My mother got up and she's just trying to knock the door. She's saying, "You up a whole night? You want to eat something?" I was like, "I will eat. I will have my breakfast later." Okay, I think we have an analytics page. Okay, here we go. Let's go for it. Dashboard. Okay, I will do it. It's a good suggestion. On We'll do it. Let me just fix this error first. Oh, I love my mother. She's amazing. Trust me. I mean, my mother is a very traditional Indian woman, and she's amazing. I mean, all mothers are same. This mother is a very common thing. All mothers are same. Okay, I'm so lucky I have my parents and I just whenever I just go out I start missing them somehow because Indian culture we live together like it's very bad in the Western culture when you're just living with your parents, but in India it's very common we all live together like let's say if you have kids you have wife and your parents are also living together, it's like that. Thank you, David. Thank you so much. Yeah. So when I just, share this with my Western friends, they all like, what? You live with your parents? I was like, no, I live with them. I mean, yeah, I mean, my parents are not living with us. I mean, we are living with them. We never leave them. That's how it works here in India. Okay, David, for you, so what we've been doing, I mean, yeah, see, it has pros and cons, Delphine, I would say. So let's say, like if I have kids, my kids are going to be, let's say, going to college now. So they will spend their 4 years, 5 years in the college. And after that, after spending 4, 5 years at that age, and now you cannot force them to be with you. But in traditional culture, like me, I did my college, and my father, my parent, my mother, they all look after my family, everything. So it was really good. But sometimes you just like lose your privacy also. But it's okay. It's worth it, I would say. Anyways, we have the David. We have created a fresh project from scratch. So you know what we have done here? We have created a project like Thrivecart. If you know Thrivecart, so we have created a complete huge project like Thrivecart in just 3 hours using xBesh. So here you have this a setting option where you can manage your profile. You can manage your payment gateways like Stripe or PayPal. You can connect your payment gateways. You have the security options. You have notifications and dashboard. On the dashboard you have the stats and everything. You can manage your products from here, like I have created one product from here. Then we have orders, so you can manage your orders from here. Then we have affiliate link, like affiliate section. From here you can have affiliates, and we are going to create the create the page for that. Just a moment. I think for now we will definitely like continue this product further for sure. But let's push it to the server, to the live server. Okay. How many of you are ready to push it on the live server? Okay, perfect. So I'm going to push it. Okay. So let me check the analytics page first, whether we have this page ready. Yes. Now we have the analytics dashboard. Revenue in 30 days, orders in 30 days, average order value, and we have the graph and everything as Tony suggested, or maybe somebody suggested. I don't remember the name. Top selling products, affiliate performance, recent orders, and everything here on this page. Then we have the payments option, which is not ready yet. Let me create the payments page also. Uh, can you please create the payment page and all inner pages like add, affiliate, etc. David Pearson, you are the friend of David Kazar, if I'm not wrong, right? Say yes if you know David Kazar. If you are the same David, yeah. Because I met David. David is very good friend of mine. I met him in Barcelona, no, in Dublin. I met him in Dublin first time, and we became really good friends. I met him in Dubai last month, and it was amazing meeting with him. Thank you so much for your kind words. He was telling me that you just talked about XBash and me to him. Yeah, it is really amazing product, amazing platform, and we have really big and huge like a vision for this. And by the next month we are going to integrate all like agentic apps, and users will be able to create their agentic workflows inside the xmesh itself. So it's going to be a big update. Okay, so to push to the GitHub, to the live server, I will show you how to do this. First of all, if you remember, we purchased a new domain yesterday. I just bought it in front of you, all of you. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to open my, yes, like Anyten. Yes, sir, like Anyten. So imagine Anyten has all AI. Like you have AI to create your all workflows inside the Anyten. Imagine that. So we are going to do that. See, I bought a domain yesterday. Yes, here we go. So this is the DNS for Koala card. By the way, it has been active already. And here I'm going to open the Vercel.com and I'm going to click on create new project. Everyone, please make sure you're going to be very focused because people are asking, they ask in the community how to push it, how to make it live. So I'm going to give you the live training, how to push it. So click on your project like Koala card from here, click on import. Now you need to understand one thing which is very important, okay? Whatever your environment variables are. So let's say if you have a project which has no environment variables, then it's okay. You can just click on the button to deploy. But if you have some env variables, like the variables which we have created here inside the code, if you remember, like your Supabase key and NN key. So I'm going to copy this from here. I'm going to paste it here, add more NN key from here, and I'm going to paste it here. And then I'm going to get these values from my project settings. I will explain it once again, don't worry. To my data API, copy the URL. I'm going to paste it here. Then I'm going to get the Supabase API key from here, which I'm going to copy it from here and I'm going to paste it here. And I'm going to click on deploy. Okay. For a variable with a breed for a target production already exists on the branch undefined. Okay. Oh, sorry, I just pasted the wrong name. It is going to be the NN key. Hold on. NN underscore key. Just a moment. Let it finish the affiliate page. Okay, the new affiliate page is ready. And the affiliate page information, affiliate information page is also ready. Is being created. Okay, now database is ready. Yes, you don't have to use N10 after that, for sure. That is the whole purpose of creating it. You know what? Imagine when you're just prompting and you're asking to create a workflow and AI will create it like N10 and it will be connected with all your uh, other apps. It's going to be a game changer. It's going to be amazing. Okay, now here we go. I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to save the project to make sure everything is done. And then I'm going to push it to the GitHub also, to the Koala card, override, last update. is going to be pushed. It's done. And I'm going to see the preview of the page which we have just created, like payments, sorry, not payments, affiliates. Wait, affiliates, not analytics, affiliates. And click on add affiliate. Yeah, here we go. You see the email, the full name, the commission rate, the options. Let me just create my other account, madhavdatta@gmail.com. My name is Madhav Datta. Commission is, let's say, 50%. And we will have option to fixed or percent also. We will build it. Let's promote, add affiliate. Okay, it's the same problem, the permission problem. I think, okay, we will do it later. That's not the problem, but we have the page ready and I'm going to import it here from code till env. Yes, this is the same name, env nn key, and I'm going to deploy. Now fingers crossed. So our deployment has been started. You can see the log here. And congratulations, our project is live. Come back to the domain. Now we will connect our own domain. Okay, Koala Cart is done. I'm going to connect our own domain from go to the domains. And from here, I'm going to add koalacart.io. It is going to be saved. Okay, now we just need to view the records for, not the view records, but for the A record, we need to copy this value, come back, click on Cloudflare because my DNS management for the domain is Cloudflare. And I'm going to remove the proxy from here and click on save. I will come back and one more record we need to add. It's going to be CNAME for the www. And I'm going to add record, change it from here, CNAME. I will enter www, remove the proxy, paste the name, and save it. Our values are done. I will come back to the domain here. I will say refresh. When you are actually deploying it run pnpm run build automatically. We run pnpm run build when we are getting some error in the deployment. Sometimes when you are deploying, you get some code error. So we need to make sure what error we are getting and we run it pnpm run build. Okay. Yeah. No, it's not. It is correct actually. It is not the wrong. This is not. This is how it works. It should be. You don't have to do it yourself. It adds this dot automatically. Okay. It works like this. That's not the problem. All right. Now I will come and refresh once again. This domain is active. I will refresh this also. Domain is active. It should work on koalacart.io. Guys, please check and let me know if you can open koalacart.io. Here we go. Bingo. Congratulations. Our koalacart.io is live. Finally. And imagine in the last three hours, we built this whole project from scratch, from zero, using xBesh. Yes, perfect. Let me just try to log in, whether everything is working fine or not. Yes, you see, we are logged in. All right, guys. So this is amazing product we have built from scratch using xBesh, right? How much would you rate out of 10 now to xBesh? Tell me. Where is Shelly? Shelly is gone already. Okay, thank you so much. I really, if you like the session, I would really appreciate to go to the community and just give your feedback. If you didn't like it, say I don't like it. I didn't like the session. If you liked it, say it was a good session. Please, all of you, if you can give us your feedback, it is going to be helpful for other users to motivate them to join the sessions like this, so they won't have the trouble at all. And I'm going to have the branding for this product logo. I will have a better logo than this. I will make this logo and I will use this logo here. Maybe tonight. Sorry, tomorrow. Maybe today. I just have no sense of time. Honestly, I'm thinking I'm working in night and it's day already. Okay, I'm going to do one thing, last thing, which should be done. I will take your 10 minutes more, then we will be just, like I will sign off. Let me just finish this page, affiliate page. This is important. By adding the new affiliate, I am getting